I'm a medium voltage order manager. Essentially means that I'm the step between sales when they make a sale and logistics when they deliver that sale. Once sales is processed an order, we get that into our bucket. We coordinate approval drawing processes, do scheduling, and then we'll obviously provide updates to customers as need be throughout the day. You get to do a lot of different things in the whole life cycle of an order. Well, I've been a state trooper for the past 5 years. Enjoyed the work, but we had our first child last year, back in 2022, and all these different wild hours was not so glamorous anymore. Started looking for new jobs. A best friend of mine who actually works here at Maddox, unbeknownst to him, he did not know I was looking for a new job, but he started talking the company up to me. And I actually did look into it, and I found an order manager position that I thought I would be well suited for. Applied for the position, went through the hiring process, and that's how I ended up here at Maddox. When my friend told me about the job, he hyped it up quite a bit, so much so that I kind of brushed him off, that telling tall tales, it might be a little too good to be true. Once I joined and actually got into the workplace and the environment, it lived up to all the expectations he set for it. The thing I look forward to most when I come to work is getting to be around the team that I work with. Just the people, the characters in there, everybody's got a role, everybody does it well. There's very much a shared sense of why we're here and why we're doing the work that we're doing. It's interesting too to see the different, the orders that come in, whether you're getting a transformer out the door to get a hospital back online, or you're doing business with one of the major corporations in America that you're seeing on the news every night. It's interesting to see these different orders come through and to see how these projects and these transformers are powering bigger projects and bigger industry throughout the country. Coming from the public sector, this is very different. I did have some preconceptions about private industry and what that would be like. Coming over here, it's the values are lived out every day. You're not having to have sermons preached at you constantly about improving morale, because morale's just great. Nobody has to talk about it. Nobody has to talk about pumping up the troops or anything like that, because people actually enjoy their work here. And you can tell when they enjoy their work, it's a joy to be around and a joy to be a part of. But it's a culture where questions are encouraged to be asked. And it's a culture where you can obviously ask for help anytime you need it. Your teamwork is obviously encouraged. You're looking at people who are wanting to be part of the team. They're not withdrawing. They're engaged with each other and with their coworkers, with their bosses and things like that. And that's the kind of person you're going to find at Maddox.